Juicy, succulent, moist, no matter how you describe them, as long as they get shoved in your cake hole, it's all good. I'm Schuey, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how to grill shashliks. You know, the meat and veggies on a stick that's sitting in your butcher's window. So just sit back, grab a drink or two, and let's get into it. Selection couldn't be any easier. Just head down to your local butcher and pick up some ready-made shashliks, like these ones I picked up from Gippsland Premier Meats. Now these are the perfect option if you've been a little too heavy on the beer timer the day before. These don't need any prep done to them apart from one small thing. It seems when Mick was making these up, he thought I needed some extra toothpicks. Thanks Mick, but I got plenty. So we just need to fix this, and we're gonna pop the shashliks onto a superior stick. Like that. If I wanted splinters in my food, I would have asked for them. When I grill anything on a skewer, I like to baste them, and these shashliks are gonna be no different. Into a pot, I've got some butter and some garlic. I'm gonna melt that down and drink it later. No, I won't. I'll baste the shashliks in it while they're grilling. Now, obviously, I'm joking. I don't want to see any messages from people saying, I feel sick because I drank butter and garlic. Today, I'm going to be using my Weber Go Anywhere, or GA as they're known, and I'm also going to be pairing it up with some grill grates. Why? Because I want to cook over direct heat on a flat surface and prevent flare-ups. I'm also going to open up the bottom vents all the way open. That's going to allow more oxygen to our fuel, and it's going to get hotter. Then what I'll do is half fill a chimney starter with briquettes, light it up. Once they're all ashed over, I'm going to dump them into the GA. And then using an old pair of tongs, I'm going to spread the charcoal out to make sure we get even heat right through the GA, but only after clicking them twice to make sure they work. Then placing the grill grates on, upside down. This is going to give me a flat surface to cook on. Grill grates will reduce flare-ups while I'm basting my meat with butter to keep it moist. While the grill grates are warming up, we might as well get that butter and garlic on there and let the butter melt. The grill grates are hot enough for our shashliks. By putting my hand above them, I can tell they're exactly at the temp I don't want to touch them. So that's hot enough. So I'm just going to give them a light spray with avocado oil, and then we're just going to whack them on and enjoy the sizzle. How hot's too hot for a grill? If your food burns straight away, turn down the heat a bit. These shashliks will take around 8 to 10 minutes to cook, and what I like to do is I like to turn mine every couple of minutes. And after each turn, I then like to baste them with the butter and garlic to keep them moist. This would be a great time to subscribe to the channel, and while you're there, hit that bell button. That bell button will allow you to be notified every time I say the word moist. Today I'm cooking with a high direct heat, and these shashliks are only going to take around 8 to 10 minutes to fully cook. Or for those of you who follow my beer timer, you're looking at a 1 beer cook. Did you know shashlik in Russian means stabbed meat on a stick, cooked over fire, shoved in your gob? That's it, these are done. They can come off the heat now. We're just going to let them relax and chill for about 5 minutes before we dig in. Any meat needs resting before shoving it down your throat. These are no different. These are seriously that good. They should be illegal. As always, cheers for watching.